Hello guys, this is a day in my life and today we are going to eat outside because my cousin Kuya Third has just graduated and we want to celebrate with him. So we're here at SNR, we want to eat pizza and a bunch of other foods. So here, papasok na kami and we're looking for a parking space. Ang laki ng mall guys, 'di ba? Ayan, ang daming tao guys, ang daming kotse. That's how you know there's a lot of people in there. Also, it's a Saturday, so I'm not surprised. This SNR guys, malapit sa bahay namin. It's only a few minutes drive. I'd say about like 20 minutes. So ito guys, nasa loob na tayo guys and we're looking for the restaurant. That's my mom and Kuya King naglalakad. Kuya King was finding free samples but sa totoo lang, I was too off camera. Unfortunately, there were only a few free samples today but masarap naman sila. There were drinks and food. Guys, andito na ako sa SNR at the restaurant. Ito, nandito na kami guys. We're ordering pizza, chicken, as usual. Also guys, they have Stray Kids here. Fan ako sa Stray Kids guys. I must stay. Pero naalala ko dati pa yan eh, yung ano na yan. Yung, I don't know what it's called, but dati pa yan eh. They didn't take it off. Mga last year kami pumunta dito. And I remember seeing that. Hindi pa nila tinatanggal guys. Pero masaya naman tignan. Ano? Si Felix. Si Bang Chan. Bias ko si Han guys. Sino bias niyo dyan? Andito na chicken natin guys. Ang sarap naman.
Wait lang natin ang pizza.
Wala pa yung pizza. Ay, Kuya Third.
You want to wait?
Naka-filter. Ito guys, andito sa SNR. Yung pagkain ko. Kunti lang naman.
Now starting planning number 7483. Please proceed